Welcome back to Adventures of Raymond, and today we're at Whitehall, New York's first annual car show, and we're gonna go check it out. Alright, let's go. So first up, guys, there's a couple motorcycles over here, and they have like a couple food stands, it looks, around here, and so we're gonna go check out the cars. So, yeah. So here's the first one, it looks like. It's a truck of, looks like a Chevy. It's a Chevy right there, so that's pretty cool. And then there's a newer Camaro, it's an SS. It's a nice car, pretty cool. And then there's this cool truck over here, it's pretty cool. But yeah, this truck's pretty cool. But here, guys, there's this really cool Dodge Challenger. It's a Scat Pack, but it's got like Lamborghini doors, so that's pretty cool. I've never seen one of those like that, and it's called it's pretty cool. So, and over here there's this old Cadillac. That's pretty cool. And then there's a Volkswagen B. And over here there's I'm not sure what kind of car that is. But that's pretty cool. So yeah, car over here, that one's pretty cool. And then there's a Chevy truck. This is pretty cool. Then there's this Fox body Mustang. That's cool. Fox body Mustangs are pretty cool. And then there's a GTO over here. It's pretty cool. And there's this car. This is pretty cool. It's got like a little trailer behind it that tows behind it. That's cool. And then there's a Corvette over here. And then there's a Chevy Malibu right here. And there's a couple foreign cars over here. They're pretty cool. That looks like a Subaru, the teal-looking one, and the other one, I forgot the name of those. I don't know much about foreign cars, but they're pretty cool. Look at this truck. It's got tracks on it. Or it's a Chevy Blazer. It's got tracks on it, so that's pretty cool. And over here, there's a truck right here. Pretty cool. It's a pretty big truck. Jacked up, and here's a Chevy Blazer right here. And here's a pretty cool truck. That's cool. I think it's a foreign truck, but that's cool. And then here's a Toyota. This is cool. It's got pretty cool. It's got cool rims, and that's really cool. This one's pretty cool. It's a Dodge Charger Rally. And over here, this Plymouth. This is really cool. But yep. And then this is cool. It's a Mustang. It's a Shelby Cobra. It's got a Cobra right there, and it's got a model car right there. So that's pretty cool. And over here, here's a Chevelle, a Chevy Chevelle. This is cool. That's got a little model car too, and a little sign. That's cool. Here's a Camaro, Chevy Camaro right here. That's cool. It's got a very shiny engine. Here's a Ford. That's cool. It's an old. And then here's a car. Not sure where the engine is. Unless if it's in the back. But yep. And then here's another Ford right here. That's cool. And so yeah, this is kind of what my car looks like, but different brand or different kind of car. I always liked the hoods that would flap up like that. But yep. It's a Chevy truck right here. Here's another Chevy truck. It's pretty cool. And then yeah, so then over here there's a tea bucket right here. This is pretty cool. It's got the exhaust coming right out the side, right there. And yeah, this is pretty cool. But yep. And once I get my car built, I would like to bring it to a car show one day, because that would be cool. And over here, the car is pretty cool. Here's another Plymouth, and that's it for all the cars. So that was pretty cool. Alright, so I got this lemonade from a place called the Lemonade Stand, and I tried it, and I forgot the name, but it has Twist and Shout. That's what it's called, and it has peach and raspberry maybe, but it's pretty good, and I tried it, and yeah, so it's pretty good. They put real lemons, and yeah, so I tried it. It's pretty good. Alright guys, and we're sitting right here. They have a canal in this town, and we're sitting up here. This is like a stage, or the stage down there, and this is just like a canal, so yeah, pretty cool. Alright guys, so we got some food, and I'm gonna try this. It's a bratwurst on a pretzel bun. I'm gonna try it. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. So, this is this is a pita bread with garlic sauce. So I'm gonna take a little bit, dip it in, eat it. That's pretty good. I'm gonna try Diet Coke. Oh. Pretty good. They got fried bread dough. I'll try that too. It's good. Alright guys, and that's gonna be it. For today's video at the first Whitehall annual car show, and we had lots of fun, and they had a lot of cool cars here. And so thanks for watching. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and share, and see you on the next one. Peace.